What's the meaning of British Rail? British Rail. British Rail.
British Rail. British Rail. British Rail refers to the state-owned company that operated the national railway system in Great Britain from 1948 until it was privatised between 1994 and 1997. During its existence, British Rail managed and maintained all aspects of rail transport in the country, from infrastructure to rolling stock and the operation of passenger and freight services. Despite criticism of its performance over the years, British Rail played a crucial role in shaping modern Britain and remains a cultural icon for many.